All right, hello. We're talking about least common multiples today. So go ahead and open up your math notebooks to the next clean page and title it.
LCM.
Okay, we are joined today. We have two guests with us from class. You might recognize them. We have celebrities. Say hello, girls.
Hello. Hi.
Okay. Write down your I can statement. I can compare multiples of two numbers to find an LCM. And we're going to talk about LCM and how to find those things. Take a minute, write that down. All right, what is a multiple? So we're going to think about skip counting or multiplying. So let's do it with multiples of 3. And we have somebody to share a song. So you want to go for it?
Oh where is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and 24, and 27. Oh where is 30.
Perfect. Beautiful. Very nice. Yes. So when we're talking about multiples, we're just skip counting, or like Chelsea demonstrated, counting 3, 6, 9, 12, and it goes on and on and on and on and on. So we can do that with any number. Let's talk about common multiples. And go for it.
A common multiple is the, like if you're doing the multiples of 3, like she said, so it would be 3, 6, 9, 12, and I stop there. And then if you're doing 6 or something, well, not 6, that's 6. That's the let's do 9. If you did 9, I don't know what's a number we could do.
You could do 9 or 5.
5. There's 5, 10, 15, and then there's 20. And you see what ones they have in common. Which do they have in common?
You do 5, 10, 15, 20, and 3, 6, 9, 12.
Oh, wait.
What comes after 12?
And 15? Oh. So you could circle 15, 15, and if there's any other ones as you continued, you would circle those two, and whichever one was least, that would be the LCM.
And we'll talk about how to find that specifically as we go on. So common multiples. Common is looking for two of the same between two numbers. So let's do an example of this. If we have 3 and 6, we're going to figure out what the multiples of 3 are, and Chelsea helped us figure that out. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and I put dot, 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 that ellipsis because it continues. And then multiples of 6. So you want to help me skip count by 6s? 6, 12, 18, 24. Okay, and we can stop there for now. But that also keeps going and going and going. So now we're going to find what's in common. Look at the 3s and look at the 6s. What do you see on both sides? What's the first one, girls?
6.
So 6. 6 is the first one. So 6 here and a 6 there. Then we have
12.
12.
Oh, yeah, 12.
And 12. What's the next one?
18.
18 and 18. So 6, 12, and 18 are all common multiples because they are in common. Now we're going to add in our last word, least, for least common multiple, or LCM. And what does least mean?
Least is like greater than or less than whenever you're comparing, but you're going to do the number that's least.
The
like
least.
Smallest.
The smallest number. Okay. So least is smallest, so the least common multiple, what's the smallest number? 6, 12, 18?
6.
6 is the least number. Here's another way to do it. So in your notebooks, draw a giant bubble M like this, and pause the video while you do this. So let's see if we can find the LCM, the least common multiple between two numbers. And for a practice, we're going to do 5 and 4 together. This way, we can either skip count and just write your multiples of 5, or if you need a little extra practice, we can write out the factors. 5 times 1, we always start with times 1. So 5 times 1 equals
5.
5. Then we'll do 5 times 2 equals
10.
10. Then 5 times 3 equals
15.
15. 5 times 4,
20.
5 times 5,
30. Wait, no, that's. Yeah, no. That's fine. Oh, 25.
and then 5 times 6 is 30. And I'm going to stop there because I ran out of room on my M, but you might need to keep going. It just depends on the number. Then if we do the times 4, so we're going to start with 4 times 1.
4.
4 times 2.
8.
4 times 3.
12. 4 times 4, 16.
Oops, sorry. 4 times 5.
Is 4 times 5 is
20. Okay, and I stopped us here. Why would I stop us here? Think about it. What do you notice? Over here and over here. Have we found a number that's in common?
Yes.
Yes, we have. What number is it that's in common on the 5 side and the 4 side?
20.
20 is the smallest number that's on the 5 side and the 4 side, so that is our least common multiple. So the LCM, and the LCM goes right in the middle of that M. LCM equals 20. For your first practice check, find the LCM of 2 and 6. Pause the video while you work this out. Okay, practice check number 2. You guys can work this one. Okay. Find the LCM of 4 and 16. And pause the video. You can do either strategy, listing out the multiples or drawing that giant M. Okay. So your answer for number 1 for LCM of 2 and 6, what did you girls find was the correct answer?
LCM 6. No, LCM 6.
Yes, LCM equals 6. And you can write your answer just like this. LCM equals 6. And for practice check number 2, find the LCM of 4 and 16. What'd you get?
LCM equals 16.
LCM equals 16. Nice job. If you have any questions or if you did not get the practice check correct, then go back and rewatch the video. Look at both strategies of listing the multiples or doing the M. Either one works. If you have questions, then bring it to school. Have a good night.